Good morning, friends. Today we'll be reviewing one of the largest oil refinery and marketing company, that is Indian Oil Corporation. This is one of the biggest oil refining and marketing company in India, and this is owned by Government of India. Majority of the share is owned by Government of India, and it's a company which is continuously in a profit, and they are continuously giving dividend. Consistently they are giving good dividend, so it's a very good opportunity for you to invest, because the current price is at very low level, and at this current price the dividend yield is coming at around 10, about 10, so 10 percentage. Then so if you see capital appreciation wise as well as the dividend wise, it's a very good opportunity. And you can it is a because if it's an investment opportunity for you at this price, because when the economy is reviving and the company starts give good profit, then at that point of time the price will be very high, so you will not get this kind of investment opportunity at that situation. So which is better, you invest right now and then reap the profit at the later stage. Overall, the company is well positioned both liquidity wise and management wise to weather this kind of economic situation. So you will never see such mismanagement or any kind of disruption in the overall functioning of this company. So somewhat your capital is assured in this company. I would recommend you take an opinion from advice from your financial advisor before investing in this company. I am giving you the advice based on my perception and my analysis, and it is for your education purpose only, and you can do your own analysis and then take a decision to whether to invest in this company or not. Indian Oil Corporation Limited is the largest oil refining and distribution company in India. Currently the share price is trading at 86 rupees, and this is if you see the 5-year chart, this is the lowest, means near to the lowest price in this 5-year. Currently the recently only the lowest point of 74.45 touched by this share, and that was due to the one of the greatest fall Indian stock market witnessed in the last 5 years. So if you see the valuation, its valuation is very attractive, and it is one of the good opportunity for you to start accumulating this stock. Currently the stock is in accumulation phase. If you are already invested in this stock at this near to this price, you can wait for 2-3 months, because it may be possible that the market again touch the bottom. Currently the prices are going up, but it will come to it will come back to the bottom level in coming months. So you can wait. If you have not yet invested in this stock, it is one of the greatest opportunity for to accumulate right now, because you will not get this kind of opportunity in the coming years. If you see the one of the main attractive of this stock is that the dividend yield it is offering. The company is in good profit and they are consistently giving dividend. Currently at this price the dividend yield is 10.92, which is way more higher than the FT rate. So you will get good capital appreciation opportunity as well as dividend opportunity. So I would recommend you to invest in this stock and wait for 2-3 years. Then you will see good earnings in this stock, in this company. It's a large cap company, and the risk profile of this company is low risk, so your capital will be safe. It's a PSU government company, so there will not be any issue of any kind that is seen in the private sector. We'll see the earning, how the trend the trend is long term trend is it's increasing its profit, but due to recent market issues 2019 earning was a little bit low, but overall the earnings are in a uptrend, and margin revenue and profit revenue was growing very highly, but in 2019 due to certain factors the profit got down. There is no issue of pledging of the promoter, because the promoter is Indian government, and you can have a good this having good dividend history. So I would recommend you to invest in this stock. We'll see the pattern how the FIS and DIS are holding this company. The DIS, we'll see first. FIS are continuously increasing till December 2019. They are increasing their stakes, so which is very good sign. And the domestic also, they are somewhat equally. It's 13.462 overall 13.79. They have marginally increased their stake, and other parties their shareholding also somewhat marginally increased. Now we will discuss what investment strategy we need to apply. You can see currently the price is at very attractive, so you can divide your total lump sum amount into 5 parts. One part you can invest right now, other part if the price going down, then you can at 70 price. At the price of 70 you can do one investment, and then 65, 60 till 50 you can invest if the price is going down. But I don't think that much correction will be coming, because it's already corrected heavily. More than 50% it corrected from its top high. Not only 50, see, if you see the high was 231, and from there it fallen to 86, which is a very good opportunity. And even if you do a lump sum investment also at this price and wait for 2-3 years, you'll get good recovery, and your capital will be appreciated very heavily. So that's all for this. It's one of the attractiveness of this stock is that dividend yield. You will get good return as a dividend, so that is also very attractiveness, and you will get good investment opportunity. These kind of opportunities will rarely come, so I would recommend you to invest in this stock and with good return. Thank you.